Hello everyone, our today's topic is calligraphy. Let's see the material required for the drawing. Pencil, eraser, long scale, chalk, poster colors, brushes, palette, black microtip pen, 1/4 size drawing paper or drawing book. First we are going to draw 1 centimeter borderline to the page. Then write down the heading on the top and on the left hand corner write down today's date. We are going to draw one slipping line randomly, then take 5 cm distance for second line to draw first name, then take 1 cm distance between the first name and the surname. For the first name we draw one vertical line, then take 3 cm distance for the each alphabet of the name and half centimeter distance in between the two alphabets of the name. Then divide these 5 cm margin lines half by taking 2.5 cm distance and drawing light margin line. First I am going to write on a S alphabet here having on a 1 cm dimension. Divide this 3 cm margin into 3 equal parts by taking 1 cm distance. You can see how we join on the lines to draw on a A. Then we are going to draw on a C. At the corners of the font S, C, then O and R, a curve in a shape, but A, H, I and N are in a very straight line. This is very much simple font we are going to show here so that you can understand how to draw on a simple calligraphy. Now left first three fonts of the first name and start writing your surname. I am write down my surname Mure, and first I am write down an M for that. Exactly below H I write down an M here. You can see how I write down an M. Then beside this M I write down an O, which is on a curve at the corners, which already discussed before. Then I write down an R, which is on the right hand side it's curved and on the left hand side it's pointed. And how I write down, which you can see here, this is an E. In such way I write down my full name Sachin More here with the pencil and the scale, and then erase unnecessary lines. Now with the help of the chalk we write down our name in a Devanagari Lipi. Now how you hold a chalk, that I am going to show you here. In a cross direction you have to hold your chalk, and then with the same holding you have to write down on a font Sa, Cha, Na, Ma, Ra, Sa, Chin, and then how to draw on a Velanti here, then Ma and Ra. This is Anna Sachin Mure. I write down with the chalk. Now this outline we are going to draw with the pencil so that this is easier for you to color with the poster color. In a such way you have to write down your name in Devanagari Lipi. You can write down directly with the brush also, but this is quite difficult for you in a basic level. So first you write down with the clutch pencils or with the chalk or the chisel markers also you can use for the writing on a Devanagari Lipi. Now for the coloring of the Sachin More, I am taking a Persian blue color. Every time I am taking a Persian bluish shades, you can have a question about that, why I use this color for every time in a calligraphy. The Persian blue color has a very good density, or we can say an opacity. So this color is easily applied on a paper, and which was very much comfortable for us also to paint any drawing. Also a red color is very much good opacity. That's why I am using blue, red, green colors, which is very good for the applications in a drawing and painting, and that's why I'm using a Persian blue color. But I'm slightly add white color here so that I'm making a light shade of the Persian blue color. Here I'm applying on a colors with the brush. I'm using 4 number brush here for the applying on a Sachin More here. It is while applying on a color, it is very much important that you have a patience and perfection in you so that you can apply very perfect color in this font. In every art form, when you apply on a color with the brush and use a poster color or any different medium, acrylic, oil color, you must have a patience and perfection while applying on a paint on a paper, because the finishing and the application is most important part in a painting. Now for the Devanagari Lipi, I am taking a violetish reddish color, which is I am adding a red and Persian blue color, but I am more add a red color, that's why it's look like a reddish violetish color. And here also the patience and the perfection is most important, and that's why the small tiny lines also we are easily apply with the 4 number brush. But in initial stage, in a beginner stage, you must use a small number of brush like 2 number or 1 number brush for the tiny small lines, so that you get a perfection and the application also improve a lot. When you apply on a color, you must hold a brush very properly, like you hold your pen or a pencil. And when you apply on a paint in any surface, you must apply or render your brush in up to down direction. Don't apply on a brush in a side way, sometimes it gets wrong. Now we showing on a 3 dimension to these fonts by adding on a border lines with the black macro tip pen. I am showing on a dimensions on the right hand side part by adding some lines so that it gets on a 3D dimensions, and you can see here with some small and tiny lines we showing on a dimension here to these fonts, and it gets on a 3D dimension. In the Devanagari Lipi also we are showing on a dimension. Here you have to carefully see how we show on a dimension here, because this is very much important for you how we are showing here. And now we adding some highlights here so that we can show some more details. So hope you understand this demonstration very well, and now you can write down your own name with the help of this demonstration, which is very much easier. This is very much basic and simple font for writing your name or any slogan in future. Both the fonts I am showing here with the Devanagari Lipi, also in an English font. Thank you. Best of luck.